exciting news. Start of the tiny home. Here's the shed. We've had a bit of a clean up, but it's still a bit messy, stuff everywhere, but we've moved all the tools up this end and organised them a bit better. So we're going to have half garage, half tiny home. Some insulation. So I've got all the timber to start framing out this section. So here we go, day one. So a quick tiny home update. So what we got? We've got the windows in. This side's framed. Now the back I'm just doing in chipboard because that's going to be like a kitchen area, so you won't see most of that wall. Here's the other wall frames. All the insulation is in, so I've still got to do the ceiling and this little mezzanine. I'll put the got some of the electrics running, ready to go. That's it so far. Okay, so we've now sheeted the back wall and I've got the electrics in. So today I'm going to actually put this flooring in, click flooring that is actually second hand. This is from our old place in French's Forest. So I'm going to use the best of it. Now obviously I'm doing things a bit back to front in that I've still not finished walls and ceilings, but I want to get all the boxes out of the way because I'm just limited for space, as you can see, and I'm still waiting for the gyprock sheets to turn up. So that's where we're at. So we're on plan B. The old flooring was too buckled to put back together. It was just leaving big gaps, so I've had to go and buy some more flooring. But this is looking good so far. So we have a bit of the storage mezzanine finished. So it's just going to give about 1.2 meters of storage up above. And just working out now how to get the gyprock on the ceiling. Okay, so everything is now gyprocked. Still got trim and rubbing down and all the joints to do.